guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the July Little Bee box to show you. Do you want to know what's inside my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the July 2025 Little Bee box has arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So this month's rotation is for the little girl. I'm super excited to see what she's going to have in here, and then I can get this over to my friend so then we can see photos of her enjoying the box. That's a great thing about the Little Bee box. They make sure you get to do everything you need to do being a busy parent, and they send you boxes that is custom curated for that specific child, gender, age, season, all of that, and they take care of that and ship it to the mom. I think that is absolutely amazing. So let's go ahead and dive in. It always comes down in one of their little bee boxes, which you could always save for storage, stack them, you know, in the garage, whatever, or you can recycle them. But it always has this really cute little bee box. So when you open it up, ooh, is that the same type of Little Bee like tissue paper that we had last? I don't remember it being yellow. If that's new, I love it. If it's not, then I forgot, but I still love it. Ooh, I dropped something. Something fell out. This sounds like a good thing I don't break it. But look at the tissue paper. Isn't that just so cute? That is adorable. So yeah, there's one thing that fell out. You do have your thank you card right on top. If you do get one of these boxes, you can post it on your social and tag them, and you could be featured on their site. So let's remove that. And then there's a sneak peek to inside of this box. I just love that tissue paper. That is just super cute. Again, I don't remember if that's the same color and print as last month, but I really like it. So let's just go with this first thing that I saw that fell. Oh, it looks like it would be like a little writing tablet. It has some little unicorns on it. There's like unicorns that go around. There is like a little button down here. Okay, so when it's on the on position, you can sit here and draw whatever, and then you hit the on button and it goes away. But there's this little tiny right here to where it's on or off. So right now it's off. So if you toodaloo, it's not going to erase until you turn that and then you hit the button and then it erases. So that is actually really neat, because then especially like if they're driving or they're going anywhere, she can bring this with her and she can draw or sit there at home and draw, like watching TV or whatever. But I think that's really cool. And there is a hole right here to, like, if you wanted to stick like maybe a lanyard or something like that, just to help not get lost or anything, you can, because there is, like I said, there's a little hole right there. But I think that is actually really cool. I've never seen one like this that you can draw and it's all colorful and then it just goes away with the click of a button. That is really neat. So here is item number 1. Next up we're gonna have is an outfit, and it is a Hello Kitty outfit. I'm not sure if it's an outfit or pajamas. Either way, it could probably be both. But here is the shirt. It's really cool, like the ombre effect where it's pink on the bottom and white on the top, with Hello Kitty with the watermelon. Super summery. And then these little cute shorts. So like I said, I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like a normal clothing item. Oh, it says flame resistant sleepwear. So it is pajamas. But again, I'm sure she can just wear it if she wanted during the day, because it's a cute little outfit. That is just so cute. But that would be a pajama outfit or any type of outfit for this one. And then we have, it says Mermaid Vibes Toddler 3-piece set. It's a hooded poncho, sunglasses, and the travel bag. So here is the cute little sunglasses. They are pink. Let me take that little UV 400 sticker off of there, so when she does get them, if she wants to put them right on, she can. So the sticker's off. Aren't those just so cute? This bag is adorable, and it has like this where you can use it as like a backpack. The bag is really cute, even if she wanted to use the bag for something else. But it says Mermaid, I'll show you this side because the tag's not there. Mermaid Vibes. And ooh, it feels like a terry cloth towel. Like my fingers are sticking to it. My hands are so bad with dealing with all these chickens and everything. Like my hands are just, they're just all tore up. But look at how adorable. So it's like she'll be a little mermaid in a little poncho. And so I'm sure you could use this like after bath time, or if they're running in sprinklers in a little pool or anything like that, you can use this to dry them off. But it's the little, it's a little poncho. So the front looks like that, and then the back of it looks like that. That is so cute though. I really, really like the 3-piece set. Definitely great for summer. And again, even if they don't go out in pools or splash pads or anything like that, you can definitely just let them play in your own bathtub and you use it, you know, put that on them when they're done with their own bath time. So I think that is so cute. Oh my gosh, it's a strawberry shortcake set. It says detangling hairbrush, and it includes a keychain that hangs from the hairbrush. Oh my gosh, that is like my childhood. Strawberry shortcake was one of my favorites. Yeah, that one, that's one of them. But I absolutely love strawberry shortcake. I used to have a whole comforter set and everything when I was little. Like that was my all-time favorite. It was my first, would be this one. But that is adorable. So you have the detangling hairbrush and then the little chain that hangs from the end of the brush. That is so cute. Oh my goodness, that is adorable. And then the last item in here is a gift for the mom. They always put in one little free gift for the mom, so it's not only just for the child. The mom has one little special gift in there. And this month it is a waterproof, clump-free, rich black radiant eyes. And it looks like it has a mascara and a waterproof liquid eyeliner. I love the color, the teal. And it just says free. It says free gift on the back of it. Let me see if I can get it back. I got it. So yeah, it is the free gift for the mom right there. So everything for the July box, you have the gift for the mom. You have the cutest hairbrush. You have the 3-piece set, which comes with the like towel, the bag, and the glasses. And then you have the cutest little pajamas or just lounging around the house, little outfits. And then they have this that they can sit down and play and reuse and reuse and reuse. Okay, you guys. So now that is everything for this July 2025 box. Oh my goodness. I love everything in this box, and I cannot wait to see her enjoying this box. Oh my goodness. Let me know what would be your favorite item in here. What do you think of the little bee box? Definitely let me know down below. If you like a little bit more information about the pricing of this box, I'll let you know right about now. I do have my code SheCrafty, which will get you 30% off your first box if you are interested. You can do month per month, so there's no commitment, month per month. It's $51.95. If you want to lock in a 6-month plan, you'll save some money. It'll bring it down to $45.95. And if you lock in a whole year plan, that is $43 per box. They also do the one-time gift box, which I love. If you know anybody who's having a birthday party or a baby shower or just because, and either you are or you are not going to attend, you can buy the one-time gift box. You tell them the age and the gender. They take all that into consideration. They build that box, and it has free shipping on that one to the US. So you can ship it to the recipient or ship it to you and bring it with you if you are going to attend. But that one is $65, and again, it has free shipping to the US. So now that is everything that I have to say for this particular box. They will be listed down below with my coupon code if you'd like to check them out. If you'd like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything for this video. Again, don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.